From sand to living picture ready? Watch. It begins not with a flash of light, but with the quiet arrival of fundamental things. A television, a window to worlds both real and imagined, starts its life as a collection of simple, raw materials. Here, in the vast, echoing halls of the factory, we see the first act of creation. Great pallets of glass, plastic pellets, and spools of metal arrive on trucks. They are the Earth's elements, refined and ready to be transformed. Each material is carefully cataloged and inspected, a silent promise of the complex device it will soon become. It is a place of immense potential, where sand becomes glass and crude oil becomes the sleek casing of a modern marvel. The creation of the screen is a marvel of layering. Not one piece, but a sandwich of extraordinarily thin, specialized films. It begins with the backlight, a panel of LEDs that provide the source of all light. Robotic arms place diffusers and polarizing films with micrometer precision. Then comes the LCD panel itself and the color filters. Lamination applies pressure and heat, bonding layers into a seamless unit. The hum here is softer, the whir of purifiers and the gentle hiss of pneumatic arms. While the screen forms in its sterile chamber, a different creation happens elsewhere. The circuit boards, PCBs, are the device's central nervous system. Flat sheets of non-conductive green fiberglass etched into an intricate web of copper pathways. The highways connecting processor, memory, and all other components. Boards arrive blank, a clean slate for a complex mind. A machine dispenses a precise pattern of solder paste onto pads. The heart of it, a robotic head, darts back and forth, plucking from reels and trays, placing them onto paste with incredible accuracy, dozens every second. A rapid fire of clicks and hisses, a mechanical heartbeat. Then into the reflow soldering oven. Temperature rises in stages, molten solder flows, then cools into permanent connections. Eyes inspect, AOI scans, then in-circuit tests probe every node. This is where separate streams of creation converge. A constantly moving conveyor carries the nascent television, a symphony of human and machine in unison. The empty frame receives its screen, alignment precise. The television has its window to the world. With each station, it grows more complete. Rhythmic screwdrivers, the belt's hum, focused chatter. The electronic mind connects to the screen via ribbon cables. The power supply is secured. Speakers, Wi-Fi, HDMI, and USB ports find their homes. A single pinched cable could doom the product. Robots handle strength and unwavering consistency. The intricate world is enclosed within its shell. The raw industrial energy yields to a sleek consumer form. Being assembled is not enough. It enters the testing area. The first test is life itself. A brief, tense moment, then light. A small satisfaction. The device awakens. Solid colors, a grid, a smooth gradient. Sensors measure brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. Every quadrant must match the golden standard. Any deviation is instantly flagged. From bass to treble, microphones check clarity and distortion. Smart features must connect, launch, and respond. Physical ports endure insertion tests for reliability. A trial by fire, water, and ice ensures durability. Failures are diverted, not discarded. Diagnosed, repaired, and sent back through the gauntlet. In this world of high-speed automation and robotic precision, the most important component is the people. A human community, skill, experience, collaboration. They are guardians and problem solvers. Judgment, adaptability, ingenuity, safety underpins everything. Clear lines, e-stops, guards, and PPE. Robots bring tireless consistency. People teach, refine, and intervene where nuance is needed. This symbiosis yields complex devices at scale with consistent quality. The line's rhythm is their craft and their pride. Once a television passes every test, it moves to a gentle final phase, final marks of identity and compliance. Packaging cradles and organizes every piece for the journey. A barcode becomes its passport and identity. Pallets flow to a vast cathedral of storage and logistics. From a single origin, they fan out across continents and oceans. The next time you power on, consider its incredible voyage. What arrives as a simple box is a small miracle of science, engineering, and human collaboration.